SEO Basics checklist you will need in 2020, 7 best practices. Hello guys. If you are looking for an SEO Basic checklist that will help you to increase your site's organic traffic and rank on Google, you have just found it. So, let's check out. If you haven't got the basics covered, your site will struggle to rank for competitive terms. The following points are very much housekeeping tasks, but form the basics of implementing a successful SEO strategy. 1. Set up Google Search Console and bring Webmaster tools. 2. Set up Google Analytics. 3. Install and configure an SEO plugin, if you are using WordPress. 4. Generate and submit a sitemap. 5. Create a Robots.txt file. 6. Check Search Console for manual actions. 7. Make sure that Google can actually index your website. You can use the SEMrush Site Audit tool to ensure that your website can actually be crawled and indexed. Free trial link in the description. Hope this information helps you in any way. Having any questions, query, or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.